All right, it is the end of March. I guess it's actually Easter weekend today. Well, Saturday. This is the cabinet for the 1207, and I've already wiped it off with paint thinner, and I'm just going to slap a coat of spar urethane varnish over the top of it, so that it's a smooth surface to work on. It's not losing any finish, so I don't have to sand it off. I just had to wipe it down real good to get it prepared for the varnish. Now this is a very old jar of varnish too, and I stirred it pretty thoroughly, but so I'm just give that a quick coat, and it should look nice, but more importantly, it will be a better work surface. Alright, we'll call that done, and like I said, I'm just doing the top to make the work surface suitable. I'm going to find a way to prop the side up here so that hinge gap, if anything dripped in there, it doesn't stick together when it dries.